Hello and welcome everyone to Silver Asset of the Day for the 18th of February 2020, presented by myself, Phil Carr, at the Gold and Silver Club. So first of all, what do you need to know for the week ahead? Well, we have seen the gold-silver ratio actually tick lower now over the last 3 sessions, breaking down to 88.7 to 1. Now, as you know, when the gold-silver ratio sells off like this, it does favour silver to outperform gold, and we're definitely seeing that at the moment. So silver's up over 0.5% right now. It's broken out to 1-week highs, and it's in fact starting to get that bid towards the $18 per ounce handle. I would definitely look out for this because typically from a seasonal cycle point of view, both silver and platinum can outperform gold between now and the end of the month, and also into March as well. And right now, if you look at the higher time frames, you've got a lot of catching up still for silver to do. I've mentioned this previously, but silver is a sleeping giant. If you consider that gold has recently broken out to 7-year highs, silver has really been very lackluster. It's just continued to consolidate over the last 3 or 4 weeks, but it has found support at that $17.50 handle, which is exactly the level that we mentioned with you last week on Silver Asset of the Day, that could provide a great opportunity to buy back in on the dips, and with a view to see a rotation higher as we get towards mid-February onwards. So right now, we still remain with 3 long positions on silver, which we've continued to establish over the last couple of months. And I'm looking to hold these certainly until we get to the end of February, and ideally look to manage these trades even into March as well, if the gold-silver ratio continues to break down. Again, go higher time frames. So look at silver on the weekly chart, the monthly chart. The next major target I'm looking at on silver is going to be $18 per ounce. Also, you can track silver in other currencies where it's been breaking out. Silver against the euro, silver against the pound, for example, has been moving stronger than silver against the US dollar. Gold against the euro has just broken out to all-time highs today, and we're starting to see platinum capture bid too. In fact, this time last year with platinum, between now and the end of February, platinum managed to rally over 1,000 points to the upside, a $100 move. And platinum is showing evidence of a potential breakout at the moment. So I would definitely keep your eye on the metals this week. It could be a really big week. Already we've seen a breakout on gold up to 2-week highs here. Platinum is making a move up to 1-month highs, and silver at the moment is also trading around 2-month highs. Of course, we've still got the fears and the uncertainty revolving around the coronavirus right now. This is providing the safe haven bid into the precious metals. With that said, you do want to time your entries well. So you don't want to get FOMO and buy right into the top. So for example, you don't want to be buying gold right at the upper end of the range, around 1600 if we get there over this week. You want to be building your positions earlier than that, like last week, for example, getting those entries on silver around $17.50 to $17.60 per ounce. And of course, gold provided some great opportunities just last week to be building positions again on that pullback towards the 1562 zone, 1565 and so forth, which has worked out fantastic for this breakout that we saw last week, closing right at the weekly highs for gold. And now silver and platinum are starting to play catch up. So in summary this week, you want to watch out for the minutes of the FOMC on Wednesday. Keep an eye on the narratives regarding the coronavirus. We've now seen over 70,000 people worldwide infected with the coronavirus. And of course, this is continuing to cause a safe haven bid into the metals. Usually silver would outperform gold between now and the end of February and into March as well. So watch out for this gold-silver ratio to roll over and break down, and silver to potentially start outperforming gold. And it's got a lot of upside potential if we do see it start to creep up to the sort of performance that we've had with gold lately, which of course is gold breaking out to 7-year highs, and silver's really only managed to break out to 2-month highs so far this year. So with that, that's been Silver Asset of the Day, and of course I wish you good trading.